Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite ways to use the MUTHA Face Oil. So after you have cleansed and applied your serum, you're going to grab your face oil and your foundation. I'm using this Laura Mercier, but you can use anything that works for you. Squirt it on the back of your hand. I then do like 2 to 3 drops of this. 3. I like to apply it with a brush, but you can also use your fingertips. So I have eye makeup on now. I don't have anything on my skin. This is going to help me look like I am have this clean, hydrated, gorgeous skin, but then also not look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, which is so important, like what we're going for. So the 2 to 3 drops of the face oil really helps to give you that hydration, even though you've already moisturized. Use your serum, maybe your moisturizer, whatever your morning skin routine is. And you can do this with any foundation to really keep your skin hydrated all day and give your skin that perfect glow. MUTHA has a no shine glow. So the amount of shine you end up getting is perfect, and it highlights the cheekbones here and gives you just perfect looking but natural skin, like it's coming from inside you and not a makeup product.